Hydroponic tomatoes grown in 7-gallon buckets. These I started in the wintertime in Florida, which is, warm compared to the other rest of the country. There's my reservoirs over here, 2 of them, 55 gallons each, feeding the tomato plants. And I've got a lot of babies started in some more 7-gallon buckets ready to go up some strings to the ceiling. Here's another group of beefsteak tomatoes, grown hydroponically, of course. And then over here is longevity spinach, something really I've never heard of, but apparently it's something that chickens like to eat. But on this side, I'm rooting all these plants in hydroponics. You just cut them off the plant, stick them in the hydroponics, and let them go. There's another group of reservoirs back there and the neighbor's dog. On this side, you can see I just finished picking Messett collards and took them to the assisted living facility for the patients there. And I'll be starting some more stuff over here, some more collards. This is a Dracaena marginata I'm rooting. There's rosemary growing hydroponically, and mint plants. Hydroponic floating bed lettuce. A mixture of butter crunch and some other kind of leafy lettuce. Anyway, it's the first time I've grown in floating beds. I'm using air stones for the propellant to keep the water clear and regular hydroponic fertilizer. And I've got it planted in different stages so that I can pick some one week, pick some the next week.